We lived on a boat for a while in the South Pacific, a country named Vanuatu, most remote islands in the world. And we were in Anchorage one day, minding our own business. We were the only boat around, but a humongous mega yacht pulled in, multi-million-dollar mega yacht. And we just kind of kept to ourselves because usually the mega yachts don't want anything to do with us heathens. We were just minding our own business. We saw them lowering their dinghy, and it was probably more expensive than our entire boat. And they came over to our boat, said, "Hey, do you want to come over for brunch to see a fancy mega yacht?" 100%. So we went, and they had this big buffet. There were all these servants running around. They were bringing in mango crepes and crab quiche, all this fancy food they had. Wife comes in, and she is gorgeous, of course, dressed to the nines. She's probably in her 60s, I'm guessing, but she looked much, much younger, like 25 younger. But it wasn't that fakey fake look like plastic. She looked very natural and very radiant and very youthful. And she asked her assistant girl, "Bring me my foy drink." Foy drink. I was like, what is she talking about? And so her assistant came in and brought in this beautifully decorated hot cocoa drink. She called that her foy drink, F-O-Y, I learned later. Super friendly, and we all kind of like relaxed a little bit. We're having conversations. What are you doing here? And why are you here in Vanuatu? They were just really nice, normal people. I actually got up enough nerve to say, "What's a foy drink?" "Oh, I call it my fountain of youth," F-O-Y. She said, "The flavonols that I found are really great for your body. Invigorate your stem cells, which are generally like dying off or going to sleep as we age. They stop like doing the things they're supposed to do. Stem cells are responsible for repairing the damage in our bodies." She said, "This chocolate that's like full of flavonols, it's great for your skin and for your hair, and for your circulation. It's great if you're going to work out to take it in advance." She told me that most commercially available chocolate has had all the flavonols stripped out of it. The processing that they do on it causes all the flavonols to get taken out. And that's where the magic is. So I said, "Well, what's the name of this product?" She said, "Black Forest." I made a mental note. Yeah, I got to remember this. And as soon as I could, I started researching it. And she was right. She was 100% right. And I found the product, and it's right here on TikTok. So you get the benefit of all of that good stuff in your body, but you get the also added benefit of it tasting great, like real cocoa powder. I set up a subscription for this, honey. I'm having this delivered into my house for the rest of my life because at 66, I want to repair everything. I want to be healthy. If you work out, you can take this in advance of your workout. It's good for cardiovascular. It's good for brain. The stem cells will go out and fix anything that needs to be fixed. It's cocoa powder. It smells so good and is so delicious. It's on sale right now. I'll put the link down there for you. You don't have to be a mega yacht wife to have good stuff.